Today I am introducing Alcatel 3C with all its specs, features and price. So see full video and don't forget about subscribing, and must hit like, thanks. Alcatel 3C is releasing in January 2018. 3C has dual SIM, dual standby. Alcatel 3C has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors. 3C has 6.0 inches large screen. And also multi-touch. Alcatel 3C has Android 7.1, Nougat. CPU of 3C is quad-core 1.3 GHz Cortex-A7, and 128GB memory card is sported and internal memory of 3C is 16GB, with 1GB RAM. Alcatel 3C has 8-megapixel back camera with autofocus, and LED flash. Geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR and panorama are features of 3C. It has 5-megapixel front camera. Sensors of Alcatel 3C are fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, and proximity. It has non-removable Li-lon 3000 mAh battery and 3C is available in black, gold and blue colors and price of 3C is €130.
Thanks for watching. Must like the video and also subscribe our channel for watching more upcoming videos.